po sa Revelation chapter 21, verses 1 and 4. Ibig sabihin mga kapatid, maghandaan po natin yung ating day of judgment. At sa mga taong mananampalataya, ano sabi ng Bible? Man, born of a woman, is of few years, and full of troubles. Pero, may kapalit po sa mga taong nanampalataya kay Yeshua. Sabi po dito sa verse 21, sa verse 1 ng chapter 21 of Revelation, and I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth has passed away, and there was no longer any sea. So, papalitan itong mundo natin. Papalitan to. Magiging bago to. And I saw the holy city, the new Jerusalem, coming out of heaven from Yahweh, prepared as a bride, beautifully dressed for her husband. So yung bagong Jerusalem, bababa po ito sa lupa. And I heard a loud voice from the throne saying, look, Yahweh's dwelling place is now among the people, and He will dwell with them. They will be His people, and Yahweh Himself will be with them, and they will be His people. So makita po natin mga kapatid, nung panahon na tayo po ay, si Adan at Eve hindi pa po nagkasala, they were together. Nakakausap niya si Yahweh. Nung sila ay nagkasala, nahiwalay sila. At sa pagbalik po ni Yeshua, maalis na po yung kasalanan, pabalik tayo. Yahweh will dwell with us. Just like the time na hindi nakasala ang tao. Tingnan niyo po yung last verse. And He will wipe away every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death, no mourning, nor crying, nor pain. For the old order of things